Flat Patrol, we need your help. We're on our way.
Flat Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Pride, leadership,
Attitude,
integrity,
determination.
Flat Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Okay, class, get into your assigned groups for your project. You will have the rest of the period to finish, so use your time wisely. You'll be in this group.
fine.
Oh, hey, are you working with us?
Yeah.
We were just talking about what we could make to protect the egg.
Oh, well, there's no need to do that. I already have this marshmallow layout.
We're making a marshmallow blanket?
Yeah, it's obviously the smartest choice and totally cute.
I was thinking we could make a parachute.
Oh, well, we already decided on this one. You should have said something earlier.
We just started.
But you're okay with that, right?
I guess.
Good. I'll get the supplies from the counter.
Did that just happen? Or actually a better question. Did you just let that happen?
She's always like this.
It's fine.
Okay, you're gonna flatten the marshmallows. You're gonna glue them together. And you can just sit and watch. Because I'm sure you weren't gonna help anyways.
I was actually...
Not going to do anything?
Can we just get along and work on this? We don't have enough time to sit and disagree.
I'm trying to fix that.
Who made you captain of this boat in the first place?
Captains make themselves captain. They don't just vote on it.
Ugh. Cap, it's time for you to, walk the plank.
Why are you here? Because your leadership skills are disgusting, and you're not even leader.
That's correct. Do you know how to earn the title of a leader? You have to listen to and consider everyone's ideas, and well, you're doing well over the opposite.
But I listen to their
But did you consider them?
yeah.
Nope.
Gisela, I'm counting on you to fix the situation. What's your next move?
Make a compromise. Well, including everyone's ideas to complete the project and get an A.
No. Yeah. Actually, that's right on the dot.
Look, guys, I'm sorry. I got a little carried away.
A little.
Hey, relax. We're making progress.
Anyways, thanks leadership for your help and guidance.
That's what leaders do.